Flat, toned abs are probably the most common goal of exercisers. It's also an aspiration that is much more complicated than simply doing hundreds and hundreds of sit-ups each day. With consistency, these 5 steps can make toning your abs easy. Keep watching to learn what it takes to get rid of excess body fat and replace it with a smooth, flat stomach. Step 1. Cardio training and strength training. Maintaining a healthy body weight is crucial in getting a toned belly. You can do 1,000 sit-ups every day, but with too much body fat you will never see the muscles that you're working. Unless you are at a healthy weight, your abs muscles will stay hidden underneath the fat. Cardio and total body strength training will help you burn calories and keep a lean figure. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio at least 4 days a week for the best results for toning. Step 2. Abdominal exercises. Exercising those abdominal muscles is important for getting a washboard stomach, but variety is what will bring you the best results. Work the entire abs set, upper, lower, sides and obliques in order to see a difference. Step 3. Healthy eating. All of the cardio and sit-ups in the world will go down the drain if you eat unhealthily or take in too many calories. What your diet consists of matters as well. Make sure that you eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, fiber, and whole grains. Step 4. Avoid excess sodium, alcohol, and soda. All of these lead to either empty calories or bloat that all serve as barriers to toning your stomach. Even diet sodas, while free of calories, are harmful to health and cause the body to retain extra fluids. Step 5. Proper hydration. Drink plenty of water in order to help avoid bloating and puffiness, which will conceal toned stomach muscles. Even if you have eaten too much sodium, the water you drink can help flush it out faster. Make sure that you are staying properly hydrated in order to rid the body of toxins, keep your metabolism at its peak, and make defining your abdominals easier.